Hello, I'm Mark and welcome to my workshop. I've recently been asked if a Dremel 8260 with a circle cutting jig can cut through a piece of wood that's 2 centimeters thick. Now I've got this 1.5 centimeter thick board of Sapele, so I'm going to try and cut a disc out of this. Let's see how we get on. So this is the piece of Sapele I'm working with. It's 1.5 centimeters thick and I'm going to try and cut a disc out of it. For this I'm going to need the circle cutting attachment and I'll be using the cordless Dremel 8260. I'm going to be using the 561 Multipurpose Cutting Bit. It's important to remember to pop it into the chuck before you attach the circle cutting jig, otherwise you'll only have to take the jig off again. The Dremel then just screws into the jig, don't over tighten it. And set the depth of your first cut. I would recommend starting off quite shallow. And set the diameter of your circle. I'm going to drill a hole at the back of the disc for the pin to fit into. I'm going to be running the Dremel at 30,000 RPM, its max speed. Slowly lower the pin into the hole and start cutting. And I'd start off going by clockwise, but then once you've got a bit of a groove in there, you can go clockwise, anti-clockwise. And it's just a matter of going all the way around the circle. Once you're happy that you've cut all the way around, increase the depth of the bit and go again. Right, let's speed this up. After a few passes, you'll have your disc. Although it's come out alright, it's not perfect. The edges are a bit ragged, and I think it's because the hole I drilled was slightly too big. Right, so overall not too bad. Took a few passes, but we got there. Now it's not very neat on the edges, just a bit of sanding will tidy that up, but I got a circle. It cut through this material really easily, and I've no doubt that it wouldn't cut through anything a bit thicker. This was about 3-4 passes. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe. Love you.